In this tutorial we will show you how to insert records in your database using the DMXzone Database Updater 2. We are going to use a standard HTML form with 3 inputs and a submit button. As you can see, we have already added App Connect on the page and used the Bootstrap 4 tools to build the form. We also added a dynamic table listing the records from our database table below the insert form. That's just to show you the records which we are inserting, not a mandatory step. Open the Server Connect panel and create a new server action. We call it Insert. The first thing we need to do is to import our form fields into the server action so we can use their values for the insert record. Select Globals. Then click the Browse button next to the link Page Input. Select the page containing your insert record form and click the OK button. Then, select your form from the drop-down and click the Import button. Your form inputs are now imported under Post Variables. Now, right-click Steps and add a database connection. Create a database connection, or load it if you have already created one. Then, right-click the Database Connection step, and add Database Insert. Click the Insert option in order to set up the Insert Record step. First, select the table where you want to insert data. It will add all of the database table columns. You can remove any of them if you are not going to insert data there. You will see that in the value fields, some post variables have been automatically added. These are useful when you are using the Form Generator extension to generate the form for you, but in our case we have already created our form, so we need to bind its values there. Double-click the value field, and click the Dynamic Data Picker button. Under Globals, Post, select the form input, which should be used to insert data in this field. Click Select. Do the same for the rest of the values, selecting the corresponding form inputs as a value. Click OK when you are done. Save your server action, and open the App Connect panel. Select your form. Make sure the form method is set to Post. That's really important. Then, click the Make Server Connect Form button. This converts your regular form to a Server Connect form. This means that the form is now ready to communicate with your server actions, in our case the Insert action. Click the Select Server Action button. Select the Insert action, and click the Select button. Another important thing is that your button type must be set to Submit. The last thing we need to do on the page is to reset the form when the record has been inserted, and also to refresh the data below the form, so we can see the new entries. Select your form. Add new dynamic event. Open the Server Connect menu, and select On Success. Then click the Dynamic Action Picker button to select what should happen when the record has been successfully inserted. Under Form, select Reset. This will reset your form inputs. Then click the Add button. We also want to reload the data below the form, so we can see the new entries. Open the Server Connect component, which is used for the dynamic data list. Select Load, and click the Add button. Click Select, and we are done. Let's preview the results. This is our form page. We enter the contact name, then the contact email, and info. As soon as we click the Add Contact button, the form fields are being reset, and the data is reloaded, so you can see the new entry added. That's how easy it is to insert database records using DMXzone Database Updater 2.